and family and fans.
Oh my god.
You're a part of Face. You can do so.
Thank you so much. Okay, have a wonderful day. Thanks, guys.
You too.
Okay, bye. Oh my god! I made it to the top 30 for the Face Awards out of everyone! I'm like actually crying. The top 30! Woo! I need to put on a top. So they called twice at 4:30 in my meeting, and I literally just hung up on them right away because it's such a random number. And then they just called again as I was editing. I was like, I'm just gonna pick it up. That's all that they're calling so many times. I literally thought someone got my number. It sounded like a young girl. I was like, like, is this Jaclyn? I'm like, no. I didn't know what to say. And that's what I said. I said, oh my god, I thought someone who shouldn't have had my number had it. Sorry. And she's like, it's okay. Can you just confirm your last name? I go, yeah, it's Forbes. They're like, okay, you're good. Oh my god.
Congratulations, sweetheart. Sorry, I had no idea what to sell, but I hear you scream.
I know, and Mom made me cry because she started crying.
I didn't know what,
I know what a big deal this is. Like, do you have to put a vote?
Oh yeah, it's fan voted. Like, it's all...
I'm proud of you, honey. Congrats, honey.
Oh
my god!
I'm so proud of you, honey.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
Hey.
Did you open it already?
No, I'm literally filming right now. I just sat down and turned the camera on.
Oh my god.
So it's gonna be a live unboxing. I had to call you in because, you know, Amanda's the reason that I even entered the Face Awards, so thanks to Amanda for making me enter.
I needed to see this.
Okay, well I'm gonna start unboxing it now. I literally have no idea. So these are the boxes. They're like quite hefty. I don't know what's inside. Yeah, I mean, you can chill here and watch. Hey everyone, it's Jaclyn. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have some really exciting news. I made it to the top 30 for the Face Awards. I'm so excited. Basically, if you're not familiar with what the Face Awards are, it's basically a contest that NYX Professional Makeup puts on, and it is kind of like the search to find the makeup artist of the year. It's just such a big deal to me. I mean, I would watch so many of my favorite beauty vloggers and makeup artists be a part of this contest, and you know, throughout the years, I just would follow along with the Face Awards, and I never thought that I would have a chance to be a part of it. So I'm very giddy, if you cannot tell. And I don't even wanna, I think we should just cut the talking and just go to opening the boxes because that's really what you guys are here to see, let's be real. So in true Face Award style, when you make it to the top 30, they send along 2 giant goodie bags, 2 giant boxes of things, and I literally have no idea what's inside of them, so I think we should hop on in there. That was a little aggressive. We're gonna open the boxes, that's all the knife was for. It still hasn't properly hit me that I am a part of the Face Awards, and like, just saying that doesn't sound real. It's blowing my mind. Honestly, I don't even know what to say. So this says, we hope you enjoy these goodies brought to you by NYX Professional Makeup and all of our amazing sponsors. So there's Target, Redken, Vichy, Clarisonic, Powder Room, Yubi, Kish, and Audio Network. This sounds very exciting. Ooh. So in here, we've got a bunch of different goodies from Redken. Ooh, flyaway fix. That's gonna be very useful because I have the most annoying little baby hairs and flyaways. Ooh la la, I'm gonna have some fancy hair after all this. Next up, we've got a box inside of a box. Oh no, this fell out too. Let's do the little one first. Okay, so this is from Target, and this is a perfume. It says Wild Child Perfume with Essential Oils. I'm gonna give a little sniff. This is literally insane. I just cannot believe this already. Okay, I'm gonna do a little spray. Ooh. Okay, I'm just gonna preface this with I'm not the best at describing scents, but it smells kind of light and summery, but there is a little bit of like a floral note to it. I don't know what that floral note is. Let me read this actually. Ooh, this is vegan. That's awesome. Vegan and cruelty-free. Bergamot, coconut, and bamboo. I'm excited about this one. Thank you very much. Okay, and there's this box down here. This is from Kitsch. Having a difficulty pronouncing that. Ooh, these are all hair stuff. Oh, this is so cool. This is like a bun form. We've got clips here. Crocodile clips are actually my favorite. This is kind of like a rose gold color. Ooh, I'm so excited. Ooh, this is cool. This is a bun twist. I've actually seen people use it on Instagram. I have no idea how to use this, but I'll figure it out. There's literally just so many different types of hair. Whoa. Look at the size of this bobby pin. It's called a creaseless bobby pin. I've literally never seen anything like this. These are huge. I don't hate it. Thank you so much. That is so generous. That's insane. Okay, next up we have, ooh, Vichy. Now y'all know I'm a huge fan of skincare. How does this open? Oh. Ooh, we've got a ton of different skincare in here. Moisturizers, different micellar water, wipes. You can never have too many wipes. I go through those things so quick. And what is this? Mineralizing thermal water. Ooh. Can I use this on top of makeup? I'm gonna give this a little go. Ooh, feeling refreshed. Next up, we've got, ooh, what is this? So this is from UB. So we've got a weekly calendar pad here. A cactus pen cup? No way. No way. See, it's this type of stuff. This stuff really excites me. Now, where did I put my scissors, actually? Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. Whoa. Almost dropped it there. I didn't know that I needed a cactus pen holder in my life, but now that I have it, honestly, I don't think I could go back. This is so cute. I love it. Okay, we've also got a cactus corkboard organizer. Wow, loving the cactus theme. I already have like 7 cactuses in here, so you guys are really on brand with this one. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, no! It's okay, we're good, nothing broke. Oh yeah. Look at it. I love it, thank you. Okay, next up in the box, we've got, drum roll. I don't know what it is. Ooh, a powder room. No way, is this a wig? No. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is a wig. Oh my god. A wig cap? No way, how cool is this? Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful lace front wig. I'm actually having a moment here. This is so beautiful. Okay, hopefully I'll apply this better when I actually have to do it. This is so beautiful. The hair is so bouncy. Oh my goodness. Wow. Ooh. This is so cool. Wow, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. I like don't even know what to say. This is all so overwhelming, but in such an amazing way. I don't know what's happening. Is this what I think this is? Why are all these boxes? I'm struggling with all of them. Oh yes, this is from Clarisonic. It says, congratulations on making the top 30. No way, this is so wild. It's a Clarisonic Mia 2. It's got, ooh, the makeup brush head. It's got the regular brush head. You know what is so wild? Like, this is such a full circle moment for me because I remember when I was like 13 years old, I would watch all these beauty gurus and everyone was talking about the Clarisonic when it kind of first came out. I didn't even know what like a face cleaning brush even was before watching everyone talk about it on YouTube. So I went out to the store and did I ask for my 13th birthday or did I save up money after Christmas? Oh no, it was after Christmas. I saved up my money and I went and bought a Clarisonic. Actually, it's still in my bathroom. I should go get it. And I bought that literally because of YouTube. And if you were to tell me when I was 13 that Clarisonic would be sending me a Clarisonic, like, I just would not have believed you. This is wild. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, here comes the big kahuna. Kahuna? Is that what the saying is? That sounded weird when I said that. Oh my god, this is so heavy. What the heck is in here? Da, 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 da. Okay, so I think this box is all full of just NYX makeup. In here, this says specialty. Ooh. The Face Awards actually just announced what the first theme is gonna be for our first challenge, and the theme is the power of makeup. So I just found out last night, and literally I was up all night conceptualizing different ideas. So now that they've announced the first challenge, we're gonna have about a week and a half, 2 weeks to create a look and make a video on it. And then it'll be a fan voting kind of thing. So I'll be posting updates and sharing everything on my Instagram and here on YouTube. That way you guys can kind of follow along and also join in for the voting period. So it's gonna be really exciting. Oh my god. I just don't even know what to expect. This is gonna be so much fun. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't want these all to fall out, but these are the NYX Professional Makeup SFX cream colors. Now I've actually worked with some of these before. I actually have a couple of these ones already. So it's like a face and body paint. Ooh, this gold one looks so pretty. There's literally just endless possibilities with all these colors. Okay, next up we have lips. NYX Professional Makeup lip products, I'm telling ya, have been a long time fave. I'm curious which ones are actually in here. This could be like an ASMR video. I'll just be like opening up all the packages. Are you kidding me? This is like a store. Whoa. Oh my goodness. This is just mind-blowing to me. Okay, so there's a bunch of different lip liners in here, from neutrals to crazy bold colors. We've got some lip balm. Y'all know I love me a good lip balm. Ooh, I actually am a huge fan of these, the NYX Liquid Suedes. Actually, I think this one is my favorite one. Club Hopper. I actually did a tutorial based all around this lippy like 2 or 3 years ago now. It's a bad tutorial, don't watch it, but love that lip color. Wow, there's literally just so many of them. And these are all the soft matte lip creams. Ooh, there's a butter gloss in there. Okay, so I think I will never need to buy another lipstick again in my life. This is so many lipsticks. Then in here, this says, oh, this says tools. There's something about makeup tools that just really gets me going. I don't know why, I feel like I can never have enough brushes and tools, and I'm just like so like obsessed with them. Okay, there is a ton of stuff in here. We've got brushes. We've got more brushes. There's remover wipes, there's sponges. Ooh, what is this? Oh, a makeup brush cleaner. That's really cool. Ooh, I've always wanted one of these. This is one of those like traveling cases for makeup. Ooh, that is some loud plastic. Oh, this is so cool. So you can kind of use them as little like brush holders, but then you can also travel with it. Ooh, I love it. There's basically just every single product you could ever dream of and every single tool you would ever need. Oh, there's 2 more things still in there. Okay, and here this says eyes. What? This is wild. What the heck? There is just a plentiful amount of lashes, different liners, different eyebrow gels, more liners, brow pomades, shadows. This was the first NYX product that I ever bought. The NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Do you guys remember back on YouTube when this was like maybe in like 2012, every single person, every single makeup tutorial would use this Jumbo Eye Pencil. So I had to buy it. Wow, this is such a nostalgic product for me. We've got eyeshadow palettes. Oh, this is cool. These are the NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate, I like that name, Ultimate Multi-Finish Shadow Palettes. So these are like the same shade, just in different finishes. This one is fun, I like it. It's called Electric, in case you guys are wondering. Okay, so I think I have every single eyeshadow color in existence. This is so crazy, what the heck? I honestly don't even know what to say anymore. It's just, this is literally beyond like what I can comprehend. Okay, so now we've got the final box, and I think the heaviest box. Oh, that makes sense. This one says face. Oh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so this, oh, that's not what I wanted to happen. I think I need like another set of hands in here. Okay, so this has a bunch of the Total Control foundations. This has concealers inside. Ooh, the Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Love this stuff. There's a bunch of the contour sticks in here and the highlight sticks. A color correcting palette. More concealers, and then we've got some blushes over here. Oh, this one looks pretty. This is the Ombre Blush in Strictly Chic. I'm gonna open this baby up because I have no self-control right now. Oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. That is like my ideal everyday blush color. We've got the highlight and contour palettes. There's the powder one. This one is the cream one. What else? What is it in here? That's the question. This is wild. This is literally every makeup artist's dream right here. Right in front of me. Okay, I don't even know what to say. This is honestly absolutely wild, and I'm just looking around right now at everything. This is absolutely insane. I feel like I've said this a million times, but no, I really do feel so grateful to be a part of the Face Awards. This is literally a dream come true. So I can't wait to start creating for this first challenge. I want to start off by saying a huge thank you to NYX Professional Makeup and to all the amazing sponsors for these goodies and makeup and everything. I gotta say a big thank you to you guys too, because when they announced the top 30, a lot of you saw that I was in it, and you guys were tweeting at me and messaging me, and you guys have just been so supportive already, and this hasn't even begun. So I can't imagine what the next few weeks are gonna be like. I can't wait to share my video with you guys and to share my look with you guys. I'll let you guys know what the next steps are and when the voting period happens. And yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna end this by saying stay tuned. Wow. This is very childish of me. I'm gonna do it. Kinda stuck. Okay, the box was not as large as I was hoping it would be. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This was so much fun to film. Make sure you guys subscribe, that way you guys don't miss out when I post new videos, and turn on the post notifications because you guys want to stay up. Actually, I don't know if you guys want to stay updated. I hope you guys want to stay updated. Anyways, thanks guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you guys soon. Bye! Uh-oh. Whoa. Top 30! Woo! Top 30!
This could be huge.